Building interactive learning games without a tech team sounds impossible. But in 2026, it's not just possible, it's normal. Most people still believe you need developers, programmers, or a big budget to create learning games. That belief is outdated, and it's quietly killing a lot of good ideas. Interactive learning is no longer about code, it's about systems. Today, creators, educators, and edtech founders are building games without writing a single line of code. And they're doing it faster than traditional teams ever could. Here's the shift most people miss. Learning games don't need complex engines. They need clear objectives, simple mechanics, and feedback loops that keep users engaged. That's it. With modern no-code platforms, you can build quizzes with instant feedback, puzzle challenges that adapt to the learner, and simulations where people learn by doing, not watching. No Unity.no Unreal. No engineering team. The process is simple. First, define the learning outcome. Second, choose a no-code game platform with built-in accessibility. Third, assemble your game using drag and drop mechanics. Fourth, test with real users, especially those with different needs. When a user says it just works, you know you've built it right. Interactive learning improves fast when feedback is immediate. And finally, publish and share your game across web platforms, learning systems, or digital classrooms. This works because games don't just deliver information, they create experiences. And experiences drive retention, engagement, and results. The metrics that matter in modern education. If you want to build interactive learning games without a tech team, you don't need more tools. You need a better system. And once you have that system, scale becomes inevitable.